Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show how to zoom your Android phone screen. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings app on your phone and search for accessibility right there, or you can search for it. So once you've done that, click into accessibility, and then you want to look for something called visibility enhancements. Click into that. And now scroll down, and under size and zoom, click on the magnification, and then you'll see magnification shortcut. Enable that, and then it says here triple tap screen. So when you triple tap your screen, it will enable it. And also you can enable this move with cursor while typing, move the magnified area as you type. This isn't supported in all apps, be mindful of that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my home screen. And now I'm going to go ahead and triple tap my screen. Triple tap on my screen now to enable this feature, like so. And as you can see, this zoom has appeared. So if you want to zoom on something, simply go ahead and hover over it. And to zoom in, just simply use your fingers to zoom in and zoom out like you do, like so. And now if I want to open up a web page and zoom in on that too, I open up a web page. And now use this thing here, this little move button, to move where you want this to be located. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to start from here at the start. 101 facts you need to know. And if you want to zoom in again, simply use your fingers to pinch in or out to make the zoom bigger or smaller. Or if that doesn't work, you can simply click on the gear icon. That's on the bottom right hand corner of this blue square box, like so, and you can zoom in like that as well. And you can choose the magnify size. So I want to make it smaller, bigger again. Yeah, that's all you need to do. Alright, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.